This is Leh, land of the mystique. यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Salute Siachen has meant different things to different people. कोई यहाँ हर ऑब्स्टिकल का जमकर सामना कर रहा है.
Keep going. Keep going.
तो कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो इस आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस को पूरी तरह जी रहे हैं. और इस सब के बीच there are deep friendships being forged.
चंडीगढ़ के बल्ले बल्ले,
बाकी सारे
थल्ले थल्ले.
कुछ दिन पहले तक they were all strangers to each other. और आज ये सब दोस्त हैं, एक दूसरे को जानने लगे हैं, पहचानने लगे हैं.
अर्जुन और मैं एक टेंट में थे. वो सुबह उठ के बोले कि मैं खराटे मार रहा था तो वो नहीं सो पाए, और मैं बोल रहा था कि मैं तो जगा हुआ था क्योंकि आप खराटे मार रहे थे.
It was like six love. Tak, tak, tak.
I think for us that was a moment.
Annihilation.
टेंट बहुत छोटा था और हम लोग बहुत बड़े थे, तो ज्यादा जगह नहीं थी. एक दूसरे के करीब सोए, और तो फिर हम लोगों का फिर ये 3-4 दिन के लिए चला.
We had to go to Mankorma, which was another campsite, and this was a long trek, but not really inclined.
ये सारे ट्रैक सिर्फ एक्लिमेटाइजेशन के लिए नहीं थे. They were helping the team get their minds stronger and their bodies fitter for the most important trek of them all, Siachen.
तो ये स्टेज है भाई. तो आप एक दूसरे का साथ देने लगे, एक दूसरे की तरफ देखने लगे कि यार शायद मैं अकेला यहाँ नहीं कर पाऊँ, लेकिन अगर सब लोग साथ हैं, एक जो वो ग्रुप एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, that started coming into play. Teamwork started coming into play. And not with any force, not with any obligation. It was something that happened very naturally, very organically.
पूरा एंटायर एक एक्सपेडिशन का एक मकसद ही ये था कि एक दूसरे को लोगों को सपोर्ट करना है, और सारे के सारे लोग खत्म करेंगे और सारे के सारे लोग एक साथ वापस आएंगे.
We need to go up there and salute our army. जब वो थॉट दोबारा आती थी ना दिमाग में, you would just want to go, keep going, because you are going there to salute the Indian army who are there waiting for you, who know that you're coming to pay tribute to them.
हम मनकोरमा की तरफ जा रहे थे. बीच पे एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेइंग फ्लैग लगे हुए थे. ताशी ने हमें बताया कि जो प्रेयर फ्लैग्स हैं ये प्योरली इसलिए थे कि हम लोग का जो ट्रैक है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट हो सके और हम सही सलामत आ सकें.
इस एक्सपेडिशन में मुश्किलों की कमी नहीं थी, इसीलिए every auspicious sign was welcomed by the team wholeheartedly.
Wow.
No? All right. This looks like you're up there, no?
Yeah.
Look at that. Man. Pretty good. Wow. And look out there.
Perfect. Back up a bit. Back up a bit.
We are up here while all the others are down there. This was Mr. Rampal's idea to come and look at those snow-capped mountains in the back. But look at this. That's a campsite down below. Was. How quickly they removed it. Yeah. And then we're going to go down there and then further up there.
ऐसे मौके नहीं मिलते to put yourself, in a situation where you're tested, and to see that you function well, you are capable, और हंस के आप सब काम कर सकते हैं. हम
ये दिखाना चाहते हैं पूरे देश को, पूरे दुनिया को कि जो हमारी इंडियन आर्मी है वो किस सिचुएशन में, कितनी मुश्किलों में हमारे को प्रोटेक्ट करती है। हम जो यहाँ पे आराम से जिंदगी जी रहे हैं।
मेरे ख्याल से ये बोझ जो है, ये कर्ज है, ये हम सबके ऊपर है कि हम इस बात को रियलाइज करें कि हमारा जो फ्रीडम है ये किसी वजह से है, किसी की बहुत कुर्बानी की वजह से।
We are going there because we want to pay the tribute to our soldiers. We want to feel proud and we want to experience something. I really saluted them from my heart and I forever will.
So we have reached our camp for today. You can see in the back, they're right now putting up the campsite. We're all chilling right next to the river.
हर्ष और से दूर इन सभी ने यहाँ कुछ नया महसूस किया। किसी ने इस माहौल को दिल से अपनाया और किसी ने इस जगह की खूबसूरती को।
And about 11:45, Dilshad ma'am told us that, okay guys, lunch will be later, the camp will be set, but till 2 o'clock we will trek towards the Stoke base.
If we don't reach base camp by 2, we turn around.
We turn around.
Alright? That was Tashi's instructions, which I passed on to everybody else in the team. Because that area, the weather changes very fast. Before you know it, barish aa jayegi and then everybody will catch a cold and people will fall sick just before you're hitting the glacier. It's not optional, you should do it because it's at around 16,000 feet.
And we are at right now 14.
For me, if there's a target, it has to be met. Give it, agar nahi hua to nahi hua, but you have to give your 100%. So I asked the local guides, I said,
कितना टाइम लगेगा ये जाने? एक मिनट मेरे को
आपको 1.5 घंटा लगेगा।
Thank you guys.
1.5 से कम लगेगा।
1.5 से भी कम।
आप हमारी कैटेगरी में।
And we started that trek. Ranvijay became our lead guide in that thing because he started creating the pace because he's very, very fit and he's a good trekker.
We've left our base, which is Mankorma, and we're going for the base of Stoke Kangri base. Tashi, Sarabjit and I are already on our way. We're waiting for this second lot. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Arun, chirpy as usual. I don't know what he's so chirpy about. I don't know where the hell we are going. I just see boulders and boulders and boulders. We were supposed to do this by boat, but since the river's dried up, we are walking on the bed of the river and we have to go somewhere around there. This is fresh snow because it rained in our campsite today, so that means this is fresh snow. That is Stoke Kangri behind that, right?
Yeah. It's
That is
cloudy
it.
in the
It's
cloud.
cloudy, so you can see the peak later. Well, we're going to the base of that. Oh, and then we'll come back to our base, which is 2 hours. So it's going to be a fun day.
We saw some wonderful wildlife, okay, where we saw a lot of mountain deer.
2 days in a row, we found blue sheep this close to it. And up ahead on the trail, we're going to cross them. I'm not going to take out the camera then, but just enjoy the moment.
We thought we had enough energy in us, but suddenly at certain points, you felt like you were going to collapse.
तो हमें दिख रहा था कि वो स्टोक कैंप है, तो जैसे जैसे नजर आ रहे तो और वो ऐसा लग रहा था और पीछे पीछे जा रहे हो, और बाद में फिर एक टाइम आया कि हमने बोला यार लेट्स डू इट.
The trek बस मुझे याद दिलाई कि मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ अगर मेरा दिमाग और दिल focused है. Just that for me was priceless.
This riverbed. Keep going. Keep going.
Tashi kept saying it's just a little bit more. You guys are going to make it. We're almost there. And so we kept going, till the point where we reached the base camp.
And why I'm breathing like that? You know why? We reach the summit base camp. See that? That is 17,000 feet we've climbed. Yeah. So acclimatize, so we can go to Siachen.
एक जगह पहुंचना जहां आप पहले से ही सोच गए थे कि मैं नहीं पहुंच सकता हूं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे करते करते पहुंच गए, वो फीलिंग कुछ और ही थी।
प्लेन के सिवाय इतने ऊपर मैं कभी नहीं गया।
It was a moment of victory. It was just unbelievable for all of us who were there.
No, everyone. Victory. Number two. Yes, Siachen.
We spent about half an hour, 45 minutes, which was the thing to do so that we acclimatized. Now we're going to go back to the base, which is another hour and a half. We're really proud of the guys who did it. And Siachen, here we come, man.
इस टीम में कुछ ही दिनों में एक बड़ा बदलाव आया है। पहले ये सब एक स्ट्रगलिंग ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स थे और आज ये एक कॉम्पैक्ट ट्रैकिंग यूनिट है जिनकी नजर अब सिर्फ सियाचिन ग्लेशियर पर टिकी है।
At the end of a trekking session, expedition, we normally have a thank you for all the people who will be leaving us at the end of today's part. So the people who will leave us today are the 3 pony men who have been carrying all our luggage. The 2 helpers in the kitchen who you never get to see, and the 2 porters who've been helping the production team.
Tashi!
So there is something called the trekking leader, which is what I was, and Tashi is the chief guide.
Yay.
So उनके बिना आगे नहीं बढ़ते. And he has so much experience. I would have been silly not to tap into that experience.
Our campsite is done. This is where we had all our tents last night. और अब हम जा रहे हैं. That's our team walking ahead, headed to Leh.
Because this is the end of our climb to the wonderful Zanskar range. As you can see, you see that. I mean, it's so amazingly dynamically different. There's like the Grand Canyon in the US, and suddenly that part looks like Scotland. You know, if you just pan there, you see that whole area.
और वहाँ से निकलने के बाद एक हल्कापन, एक ऐसा एहसास होता है कि हाँ यार कुछ तो अंतर मन से सामने आया है जो मुझे काफ़ी आगे तक ले जाएगा, जो मुझे एक सुकून भी देगा, एक नॉलेज भी देगा। तो वो हम सब ने फील किया।
This is just the first half of it कि used to हो जाए, बॉडी में भी वो एक मोबिलिटी आ जाए।
एक्सपेडिशन का पार्ट 1 खत्म होने को है। सभी ने काफी कुछ सीखा भी, समझा भी, और हर एक ट्रैक ने इनकी मदद की है to help them become one with this rugged yet magnificent terrain.
This is it. Made it. Round 1 over. Expedition 1 completed. Lot more knowledge, lot more respect for these mountains, and a lot of respect for these shoes, which has taken us there and brought us back. Really, now a nice hot shower, a soft bed.
Alright, we're back. That's Hassan, Arvan. Big Daddy Day, baby. Made it down. Aruday and myself, we're all back from our trek from Manukorma. It was supposed to be a 4.5-5 hour trek. Is that right, Arman?
Yes, that's.
We did it in 2.5 hours. We're sitting in the car. We're the first ones. We're going to go back and see a really nice toilet. We're going to all go, kiss our pots, have a hot shower, and then
Really long hot shower.
And
I'm
then
gonna make love to that shower. I'm gonna make love to that toilet. It sounds bad, but you ain't been where I've been, boy. You don't know what it's been like for us. Sorry, I'm sorry.
and then after we have a hot shower, we're going to have a nice, easy coffee at the German bakery and enjoy ourselves and think about what we just accomplished and achieved. Good job, boys.
One love.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Boom.
ले में इस रिजुविनेटिंग और वेल डिजर्व्ड ब्रेक के बाद हर टीम मेंबर की जुबान पर एक ही सवाल है, कब पहुंचेंगे सियाचिन?
डिनर किया, उसके बाद हम होटल में आए। होटल में आके ये हुआ कि हम लोग कल सुबह जा रहे हैं, तो रात में कोई सोया नहीं।
मैं भी चाहे जितना बोल लूं मैं समझा नहीं पाऊंगा because it is something that you feel.
We all actually forgot about any sort of pain, any sort of negativity, anything we might have had in those past few days.
Climbing Siachen was going to be a totally different experience.
Once you get to the glacier, वहाँ पे problem हुई तो there's nothing that can help you.
When we hit the base camp, you see the snout of the glacier. Just unbelievable landscape.
एक physical form में one of the most beautiful sights.
We are at 12,000 feet at the Siachen base and all of us are suffering with high BP.
Each and every single person's blood pressure had gone haywire. And we thought that this journey is ended there.